This brand is made in China by Katmai Technology Limited and can be purchased through the manufacturer's Amazon store, but their warranty is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is more environmentally friendly than brands that use R410A. The units use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient because conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They do not use self-evaporating technology and so require periodic dumping of a condensate bucket. The GLP-06 AC model features a 2-speed fan but manually operated louvers, which does not do as good of a job of distributing the air throughout the room. It has electronic controls with a temperature-sensing remote control for increased comfort. The GL10 kV model has a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity and uses state-of-the-art inverter compressor technology, which is quieter and more efficient than standard compressors. It is Wi-Fi enabled for control through a smartphone or with voice commands from Google and Alexa. The GLP10 ACHU model provides heating as well as cooling and includes a UVC light to purify the air and improve the room's air quality. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.